What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can upload a MOGRT file in Premiere Pro. And with recent updates it has changed a bit, and I'm just going to get right into it so I don't have to waste any of your guys' time. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to Window, and then you want to go to Graphics Templates. And as you can see, these are all the different types of MOGRTs that I have uploaded into my own Premiere Pro, and you could do this easily with MOGRTs that you have gotten from off of YouTube videos or if you've made your own. And then you want to click this plus icon right here that says install motion graphics template. You want to click that, and then you can select your specific MOGRT that you have. You want to double click it, click open, and then it will show right here for you. And in this instance I have a numbers counter MOGRT that I got off of a YouTube video, and so for myself as a video editor this is actually really helpful because I don't have to open After Effects for this certain effect. So that's where MOGRTs can come in really handy. I have a watermark MOGRT, I have like different MOGRTs for profile pic and usernames, keyboard strokes, some fire effects. And this is just stuff I've gotten over the years from different creators that have been really helpful. So hopefully this video helped you out with figuring out how to upload a MOGRT into Premiere Pro. And if you're a video editor like myself and interested in learning more or with making money with different side hustles online, I have a free Discord community that I will have linked down below. And if any of you are interested in joining it, then we all can give free value to one another. So I highly recommend joining that. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.